Rise and Grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2018 Dodge Challenger, and it is 3.6 V6 GT. We're gonna change the thermostat on it. Thermostat coolant. Comes in one unit, one assembly, and that's the part number 82403DL. And that thermostat is right up under here. See the upper holes? Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Pop that off. So she got a scan done and had the codes red, and she had a P0128, I believe, the thermostat rationality code. So I didn't diagnose it, but I'm gonna replace the thermostat anyway, and hopefully this is gonna solve the issue. See, we're full of coolant. Not full, but we got coolant in there. Flathead or 8mm. Same for here. Now we're gonna take off the sensor. Alright, that's the thermostat. Held in by two 10mm bolts. One at the top, one at the bottom. You want to drain your coolant. And if you don't drain it beforehand, you can always put a catch pan at the bottom. On my channel locks. Pull that back here before I remove the bolts. Make sure you wipe that down. Alright, now we can put our clamp back on here. And we in there, we're gonna top it off. We're gonna bust open this breather valve right here. We're gonna open it up. Top it off. Alright, we're gonna start it up. Turn on the heat. Alright, we can close that off. Drive it around. That's going to do it. Make sure your level is topped off when you drive it around, because the level will go low. Till next time, the Pull-Up King.